This is the blue list. Number 1, leaf. 1 leaf fell from the tree last fall. Number 2 is lock. I'm going to lock the house and then we can leave. Number 3 is logs. I put 3 new logs in the campfire. Number 4 is pliers. I need to get the pliers to loosen the bolt. Number 5 is plane. We will fly on a small plane to the island. Number 6 is lamb. I fed the lamb in the petting zoo. Number 7 is pail. I filled the pail with sand while I was at the beach. Number 8 is plug. I don't want you to plug in the computer cart. I will take care of it for you. Number 9 is pie. Today's dessert is apple pie. Number 10 is plant. In science class, we will plant broccoli seeds. Number 11 is plus. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Number 12 is plum. That sweet plum would make a delicious dessert after lunch. Number 13 is pins. I used 3 pins to hold the hole closed in my sweater. Number 14 is plate. I filled my plate with goodies at the dessert table. Number 15 is letter. The letter C comes after the letter B in the alphabet.